Decoupled and headless architecture, what's the difference? Decoupled and headless architecture differences. In this video, we'll explore the difference between headless and decoupled architecture, including its advantages and disadvantages, and why you need to choose webnexs' headless and decoupled architecture. What is headless architecture and its works? In headless architecture, the backend provides data through an API to a separate front-end, which can be built using any technology or framework. This allows for greater flexibility and scalability, as the front end can be easily updated or replaced without affecting the back end. What is decoupled architecture and its works? In a decoupled architecture, the front end can access certain features of the back end, such as authentication or user management, while still being able to operate independently. This allows for more control and customization over the front end, while still maintaining the benefits of a separate back end. Headless architecture advantages and disadvantages. Advantages of headless architecture. Flexibility in content delivery across various channels and devices. Improved performance by optimizing each platform individually. Scalability as the front end and back end can be scaled independently. Enhanced user experience through personalized content delivery. Disadvantages of headless architecture. Increased complexity due to the separation of front-end and back-end. Specialized skills required to develop and manage both components. Lack of out-of-the-box functionality in some headless CMS platforms. Increased development effort for building and testing integration points, APIs, and data synchronization. Decoupled architecture advantages and disadvantages. Advantages of decoupled architecture. Flexibility to use different technologies and frameworks for the front end and back end. Easier maintenance and updates as changes in one layer do not affect the other. Scalability by independently scaling the front end and back end components. Enhanced security by isolating sensitive data and functionality. Disadvantages of decoupled architecture. Increased complexity due to the separation of the front end and back end. Requires specialized skills in managing the decoupled architecture. Potential performance overhead due to the communication between the front end and back end layers. Higher development and maintenance costs compared to monolithic architectures. Why you need to choose webnexs' headless and decoupled architecture. Webnexs supports both headless and decoupled architectures in web development. With headless architecture, it offers greater flexibility and control over the user experience, and with decoupled architecture, it results in faster development times and easier maintenance. By supporting both architectures, webnexs empowers developers to create innovative and dynamic websites that meet the users and business needs. Check out from the description. Thanks for watching. Need more about e-commerce, headless e-commerce, multi-vendor marketplace? Just subscribe our channel.